Run, little black dog. I saw lightning. I was dropped. Look, it's McLovin. Hey, baby. You're scaring him away, Craig. He's running faster. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at how low it is right there. Billy, look right there.
It looks bad, don't it? It looks bad, don't it?
It's a warning, not a watch. It's a warning.
What it kind of looked like in '99 when they won their big air. Do what? It's kind of what it looked like in '99.
I've never really seen rotation. I know what it is now.
I got full on goddamn watch right.
Oh, look at them. Y'all look. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. It's gonna come, it's gonna come, it's gonna come, it's gonna come. Oh my gosh, it's gonna come. I'm scared. What are we gonna do? What am I doing? I don't know. I'm scared. That's it. It's coming. Oh my gosh.
Going that way.
No, it's finna drop right there.
Hear the trees. Look at them.
Oh my gosh.
Do you hear a train coming?
Look at it. It is trying to, man. Well, I guess it's gonna blow over us. Or maybe it's gonna drop right over my head. Oh my God. And we have no phone. My heart's beating fast. I'm really scared. I'm out of breath. Oh my gosh. I'm really scared.
Go ask the lady. Me too. Go ask the lady for Xanax in a ditch.
You know, like the clouds forming out there?
Yeah, man.
If anything's going to drop, it's going to drop straight down. Like it's doing right now.
Look at them.
See that? See the clouds up there?
Hush.
See them turning?
Leave me alone.
See them twisting like this?
Billy. In Jesus' name, please keep us safe. I'm really scared.
Me too. It's got dark. And it's on the flight.
Yeah.
Didn't it get quiet?
Yeah, we're on the back side of it.
We're finna get that, what do they call it, the flank or whatever, it's supposed to start raining. That rain's coming. You see it right there up the road?
Yeah.
Y'all better get in the truck. Look, you can see the rain falling. It's coming. It's right there. Look at that. That's awesome. You can see the rain.
They're not something like a sheet, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Jesus' name, thank you very much for keeping us safe.